Tohode, course to enjoy the nature and history of Okamoto, and the spring water of Okura and Kokubunji Cliff course. There are beautiful landscapes and new discoveries you might come across because you're walking. Let's cut out these landscapes by taking photographs and take a healthy walk. We'll first introduce the spring water of Okura and Kokubunji Cliff course. You cross the Dairokuten Bridge, which is across the Tomei Expressway. Walk alongside Senkawa River, where you can enjoy the landscape of the changing seasons and see the wild birds which come. Head towards Okura Sports Ground by walking through Okura 3-Chome Park, where the sunlight filters through the trees and the spring water shines with a sparkling light. Kinuta is the only one name of a place which was created in 1889. The etymological meaning comes from a tool to beat to soften cloth and ropes. It is said to be that it was named to bring good luck as a tool which was used daily to make your life better. If you go around the spring water of Okura and Kokubunji Cliff course once, you can go to the course to enjoy the nature and history of Okamoto by walking the connection course. The landscape from Fujimizaka, a popular spot which was chosen as one of the Kanto's 100 famous views of Mount Fuji, is in the middle of the connection course. The whole area of Okamoto Park is abundant with nature. Time flows quietly, and you can also see the life of a beautiful culture at Seikado. The house of the former Kosaka family, which is a designated tangible cultural property of Setegai City, which is next door, and the Seta 4-Chome Old Kosaka Green Tract of land, an attractive garden where the water spring flows. We will introduce you to the spring water of Okura and Kokubunji Cliff course of the Kinuta district, which is approximately a 45-minute walk consisting of 5,100 steps, and the course to enjoy the nature and history of Okamoto, which takes approximately 30 minutes, consisting of 3,500 steps. We first visit the Okamoto Park's Old Farm Garden. Okamoto Park's Old Farm Garden is the first tangible cultural property designated by Setegai City, which is the house of a typical farmer at the end of the Edo period that has been reproduced. Under the theme of the old house which is alive, one can freely walk inside and touch the equipment as well. Traditional events of farm villages are held where you can experience the lifestyle and customs of the past. And inside Okamoto Park, where the old farmhouse garden is located, is where you will find many streams of spring water from the Kokubunji Cliff, which flows into the Marukogawa River in front of the park. The Matsumoto Memorial Music Guest House is near Okamoto Park, and concerts are held here. Reservation by phone is required to tour the facility.
どうも、カメラマンの水谷です。よろしくお願いします。
Mitsuru Mizutani, who is a photographer, and Kentaro Nishimura, Asuka Miura of the Faculty of Commerce of Nihon University will walk the course this time.
色の違いとかはこういう太陽に透かして撮ってあげるとすごく違いが出しやすいので。After leaving Okamoto Park, there is a promenade with wooden floors made from trees as you walk alongside the murmur of Marukogawa River. After leaving walking alongside Marukogawa River, their next stop is Seikado. The Seikado Foundation was founded in 1940.
The Seikado Bunko Art Museum opened in April 1992 after the new facility was built. Collections of approximately 200,000 old books and 6,500 Oriental antiquities, including 7 national treasures and 84 important cultural properties of 2 generations, Yanosuke Iwasaki and Koyota, can be found. The art museum is open to the public during the exhibition period, and visitors can see precious collections. The garden is beautifully maintained, and the view from the hill is refreshing. The autumn leaves are beautiful. Starting with the azaleas, many flowers bloom each season, and it is the perfect place to take photographs while taking a walk. This mausoleum was built in 1910, and it was designed by Joshua Konder, known for the designing of Rokumeikan, Nikolai-do, and the first Mitsubishi building. It has been selected as an important traditional building by the Tokyo Metropolitan Government. They head towards a vast area of green space in front as soon as they leave Seikado. The next place they visit is Seta 4-chome Old Kosaka Green Tract of Land, the former Kosaka family house, which has been selected as a tangible cultural property by Setagai City, and a beautiful garden of autumn leaves and bamboo grove where the flow from the spring water can be found. This garden is a green tract of land structured as a sloping forest unique to Setagaya City. It was built in 1937 as a villa for Junzo Kosaka, who served as a member of the House of Representatives. It's a charming 2-story building with a Western-style bedroom, and the main building is Japanese-style with a mountain hut-style study room. Home-baked cookies by the Welfare Workshops in Setagaya City is sold here, which soothes a body that is tired from walking. The Okamoto District Hall is located in the middle of the course to enjoy the nature and history of Okamoto, which is possible to use as a resting place equipped with a restroom for wheelchairs. Fujimizaka is a big hill which suddenly appears in the middle of the housing area. As the name suggests, it is a hill where you can see Mount Fuji, which has been selected as one of the famous 100 views of Mount Fuji of the Kanto region.
縦位置で撮ったりするの。そうするとね、縦長の画面っていうのは真ん中に視点が集中するから目線の誘導がドンピシャみたいで、ど真ん中にドーンって富士山があればおすげえっていう感じ、広さも出る。
We part with Miss Miura. Here, we leave Fujimizaka and head to the next spot. We stray a little from the course and walk alongside the Senkawa River. The next location is Dairokuten Bridge. It's a bridge across the Tomi Expressway, and you can see Mount Fuji on the other side of the flow of cars on a nice day.
このネットにピント合わせちゃう。そこにあるいろんなものを利用して、そこの空気感をどうやって表現するか。
We are back walking alongside Senkawa River again. If we park the course and walk a little, we can see Toho Studio. We asked about the charm of Toho Studio. This Toho Studio is in the Kinuta district. It is Japan's largest studio in size. Many masterpieces of film were created here at the Toho Studio in Setagaya City. A wall painting of 11-meter-high Godzilla can be seen. There's a space in front to take a souvenir photo as well. Why not take a picture with Godzilla if you're close by? From here we have new members joining, Nao Yamagiwa and Yuichi Nogami of Nihon University. This Okura 3-chome Park is a natural park inside the complex of Okura Housing. We asked for a one-point advice on taking a photo with a smartphone.
割とブレやすい。撮った時にこうなんか動いちゃうっていうのかな。そういうのを注意するだけでもだいぶ良くなるんじゃないかなと思うんだよね。
The area around Okura Housing is a cherry blossom viewing spot. And the last place to visit is Okura Sports Park. This facility has a gymnasium and track and field ground, and is a facility where one can enjoy many sports activities. There are many people who enjoy walking and running as they watch the scenery of the seasons change, right? This location has also been selected as the training camp for the U.S. national team during the 2020 Tokyo Olympic and Paralympic Games. We'd like to contribute in creating excitement for the 2020 Tokyo Olympic and Paralympic Games. We have arrived at the SL Square. We asked for the last one-point advice here.
まあ面白いところをいかに切り取るかっていうのはなんだか分かんなくてもいいんだよね。なんだか分かんないけどなんだろうなっていう感じはあるじゃん。だそういう狙い方は一つありだと思う。せっかくこう近づけるっていうことでなんか狙っていくと面白いんじゃないかな。
We'd like to thank the members who participated from Nihon University. They seem to have gotten better photographing after experiencing this walk. One can enjoy the various sights of the Kinuta district on the course to enjoy the nature and history of Okamoto and the spring water of Okura and Kokubunji Cliff course. There are other places to visit within the course other than Okamoto Park, Seikado, Seta 4-chome Okosaka Green Tract of Land, Fujimizaka, Okura 3-chome Park, and Okura Sports Park. Walking is a preventive lifestyle-related disease measure, as well as it's good for your health. Why not put your pedometer on and challenge how many steps you can walk?